Hello, dear friends across the nation. Those sudden, painful leg cramps that hit in the middle of the night or during a calm stroll can leave you restless, frustrated, and feeling like your body's working against you. They're more than just in comfort. They rob you of comfort, sleep, and the freedom to move confidently. Today, I'm excited to share 5 powerful, everyday foods that can help stop leg cramps in seniors, support muscle health, calm your ease, and empower you to walk with nerves. These simple, effective foods are your key to a life free from pain. Let's get started. Bananas are like nature's little gift to your muscles. Think about it. Each one is packed with about 420 milligrams of potassium, a mineral that's like a traffic controller for your nerves and muscles. When potassium levels dip too low, your muscles get jumpy, leading to those dreaded spasms. I've seen it time and again. Seniors who start eating a banana a day notice fewer cramps, especially at night. Potassium keeps nerve signals smooth, helps balance fluids in your body, and prevents dehydration-related cramps. Plus, bananas have magnesium, 32 milligrams per fruit, which calms muscle excitability, and vitamin B6, which supports nerve health and reduces inflammation. A study from 2018 showed that low B6 levels can make cramps worse, and bananas deliver nearly 30% of your daily B6 needs in one serving. Here's a tip. Eat 1 or 2 bananas daily, maybe as a snack or blended into a smoothie. If you're watching your blood sugar, pair them with some almonds or a slice of whole grain bread to keep things steady. And don't forget to drink water, 6 to 8 glasses a day, maybe with a splash of coconut water for extra electrolytes. I once had a patient, Tom, who swore by eating a banana an hour before bed. He said it was like flipping a switch. His nighttime cramps practically vanished. Have you ever tried something as simple as that and noticed a difference? It's amazing how something so small can change your life. Next up, let's talk about Greek yogurt. Oh, this stuff is a powerhouse. Picture a creamy cup of it, delivering 20 grams of protein, 230 milligrams of potassium, and 200 milligrams of calcium in just a 170-gram serving. That calcium, it's crucial for muscle contractions, keeping them steady and strong. The protein rebuilds muscle fibers, fighting off the weakness that comes with age. And the probiotics? They help your gut absorb nutrients better, which is a big deal for seniors whose digestion might not be as sharp as it used to be. I remember a woman named Linda who was skeptical when I suggested Greek yogurt for her frequent leg cramps. She started eating a small bowl with some berries every morning, and a month later she told me, "I feel like I'm moving easier, and those cramps aren't waking me up anymore." It's not magic, it's science, made delicious. Try a serving of unsweetened Greek yogurt daily, maybe as breakfast or a post-walk snack. Mix in some fruit or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra flavor and nutrients. It's like giving your body a warm hug, supporting your muscles and bones with every spoonful. Have you ever thought about how a small change in your breakfast could make such a big impact? Now let's crack open the humble egg. Don't underestimate these little gems. Each large egg packs 6 grams of high-quality protein, all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and stay strong. They've also got vitamin D, about 40 IU per egg, which helps your body absorb calcium, keeping muscle contractions smooth. Without enough vitamin D, you're more likely to feel weak or deal with chronic pain. And then there's vitamin B12 and choline, which protect your nerves, ensuring they send the right signals to your muscles. Research shows seniors with low B12 levels are more prone to cramps, an easy, digestible way to fix that. I suggest eating 6 to 7 eggs a week, boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet with veggies. If cholesterol's a concern, talk to your doctor. But for most folks, eggs are a heart-healthy swap for processed meats. For those with diabetes, pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like spinach or whole-grain toast. I once advised a man named George who was dealing with leg cramps and fatigue. He started having 2 eggs for breakfast most days, and he said it was like his legs got a new lease on life. What's your go-to way to enjoy eggs? Maybe it's time to make them a regular part of your plate. Let's move on to sweet potatoes. These aren't just for Thanksgiving. One medium sweet potato gives you 438 milligrams of potassium and 32 milligrams of magnesium, plus complex carbs for steady energy and vitamin A to fight inflammation. That combo supports muscle function and keeps cramps at bay. I had a patient, Sarah, who loved hiking but kept getting leg cramps that slowed her down. She started eating a small baked sweet potato a few times a week, and she told me, "I feel like I can keep up with my grandkids now." It's incredible how something so simple can make you feel unstoppable. Eat a small sweet potato a few times a week, baked, mashed, or even sliced and roasted. If you're managing diabetes, keep portions modest and pair with a protein like Greek yogurt. And always stay hydrated. Water amplifies the benefits of those electrolytes. Ever tried sweet potatoes as a savory side? They're a game changer. Finally, let's talk nuts and seeds. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, walnuts, you name it. These are like tiny powerhouses of magnesium and potassium. For example, just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds has 100 to 68 milligrams of magnesium, 40% of your daily needs. Almonds give you 200 milligrams of potassium, and walnuts bring omega-3s to reduce muscle inflammation. Healthy fats in these foods improve blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need. Chronic inflammation can make cramps worse, but the antioxidants in nuts and seeds fight that, helping your muscles recover faster. A small handful, about 1 ounce, daily is perfect. Sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on your salad or munch on almonds as a snack. Just stick to unsalted, raw, or dry roasted varieties to avoid dehydration from too much sodium. I remember a patient, John, who added a handful of mixed nuts to his daily routine. He said his nighttime cramps dropped and he felt less stiff overall. What's your favorite nut or seed? Maybe it's time to keep a little stash in your kitchen. Here's the bigger picture. These foods, bananas, Greek yogurt, eggs, sweet potatoes, nuts and seeds, are more than just groceries. They're your allies in the fight for a stronger, pain-free life. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed, ready to walk, dance, or play with your grandkids without worrying about cramps. But to make this work, pair these foods with plenty of water, 6 to 8 glasses daily, and a balanced diet. Every bite is a choice to invest in yourself, to push back against the limitations of age. I've spent years studying what makes people thrive, and I can tell you this. Small, intentional habits, like eating these foods, build a foundation for a life of strength and freedom. Take a moment to reflect. What's stopping you from feeling your best? Could it be as simple as adding a banana to your day or trying a new egg recipe? You don't need to overhaul everything. Just start with one small step. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you excited to try, and how will you make them part of your routine? Drop a comment below to keep the conversation going. If this inspired you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a tip to live healthier and stronger. Here's to taking charge of your body and living life to the fullest. Let's do it together. Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment from you. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or loved ones. Your interaction is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you.